till you think of a long term politics, till you think of becoming a chief minister, till you think of being in politics, why would someone get you elected? आता तुमचं एकटू काढलो तो म्हणटलो mine is a very short term, I am done, I have sort of cleaned the politics and I am no more.
नाही, not everybody does that. आता हांव आसा पळय, from day one I am here. Arvindji has been the guiding light for this. He has suffered so much. ताका फेक केसींनी जेलीन सुद्दां उडयलो, but he did not compromise. He could have just joined BJP and all his problems would have solved. So अशें ना की सगळेच करता, पूण जशें सांगलें, some posts have a lot of pressure and sometimes that pressure may be too much for some people to handle. So but I have been here from day one. I have served in various positions and definitely we are not here to give up. आणि त्या खातीर आमी प्रयत्न करीत आसा. वी हॅव बीन हियर इन गोवा. आमी 2014चे लोकसभा इलेक्शन पयले लडिल्ले, मागीर विधानसभेची 2 इलेक्शनां लढल्या, ZP इलेक्शनां लढल्या. सो वी आर कंटिन्युईंग आवर वर्क आणि इट इज अप टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा टू एक्सेप्ट द टायप ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स वी आर ऑफरिंग.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.